Today we're talking about gaming mice. Here's our latest and greatest from geek.com. I can't read Chinese very well, but wireless charging luminous mouse. I'm not going to pronounce the name because I can't. But let's open it up. Like all my videos, make sure to click the show more section of the video description for information, links, stuff like that to the products that I'm talking about. It's very nice. Comes in a box. USB. More plastic. Ooh. Free wolf. Oh. First impression, cheap plastic garbage. The buttons are loud and annoying, but hold up. Drop it. The side buttons are loud and annoying, but the top buttons, listen. You can't hear them. Bonus. If you're a gamer and you're live streaming, you don't want loud buttons. No. Stop it. You know who you are.
Stop it. Get some help.
Early, quiet. Does feel kind of cheap. They did coat it in rubber though. I don't know if you can see up close. See the rubber part right there? Right there.
Okay, let's just move on.
They're temporarily sold out, but you can easily find these things. There's multiple listings for each item on Geek. It's the X8 wireless 2.4 gigahertz professional rechargeable silent LED backlit USB optical ergonomic gaming mouse. Woo, that's a mouthful.
That was a preemptive
$8 plus $5 for shipping. Not bad. Always trying to bring you guys the best free games and budget tech, helping you save money, and I do it all for free. Comes in multiple colors, A, B, C, and D, depending on your preference, what you're looking for. 10 meters wireless connection, game optical engine, and it's plug and play. It's great for laptops, wireless dual compatibility, also PCs. You can charge through a USB interface, power bank, adapters, laptop, doesn't matter. I hope this video saved you some money. Thank you guys so much.
Bye.
Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully it made you laugh or saved you some money. If it did, hit that subscribe button down there, the red one. Make sure to leave a big like on the video too if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, click right there. I'll see you in the next video.